Hi, my name is Adrián and I'm from the group conformed by Sofia, Olaez, Monroy, Dominguez, and me. I'm going to explain what's our project about. Our project is about a scale model of a aeolic turbine, uh, and to do that we need uh, a model shape of a aeolic turbine. Sorry, and we also need a LED, a metronome, and I think that's it. A metronome works and is needed to this project for calculating how much energy is produced and if it's worthy or not the project.
So how does our project work? Well, our project, as you can see, it's a bit of a model of a house. A small house. It's made of cardboard. And what it works basically is that we have this like aeolic generator kind of thing. And basically what we do is we make it spin with with an air dryer, and then basically we measure the amount of voltage it outputs when being spinned. Originally, we were supposed to put up an LED, but we didn't manage to make sure that it worked. But the project does work, as you will be seeing just right about now. So, in conclusion, we can basically conclude that the experiment or project was a success as it worked and it did produce energy. And it is using a principle of physics known as rotational kinetic energy, which is defined as the rotation of an object and it's part of its total kinetic energy, and it is directly proportional to the rotational inertia and the square of the magnitude of the angular velocity. Of course, a project like ours uses this principle in a much smaller scale. As the project is smaller, is much lighter, thus it doesn't really need that much strength to be pulled over, as if we compared like a giant aeolic generator, which in that case it uses the entirety of the wind to actually be moved. And of course, the amount of energy it produces is of course going to be different. But in the end, we did manage to make what we originally wanted to make, which is a scale version of an aeolic generator.